The AgustaWestland AH Mk1 AH1 Apache attack helicopter, which was produced under license from the Boeing AH-64E Apache longbow helicopter at the AgustaWestland facility in Yeovil, UK, has been withdrawn by the British Army. The British Army has been using the AH-1 Apache helicopter at Wattisham Flying Station in Suffolk for more than 20 years. When it retires, the more sophisticated Boeing AH-64E Apache Guardian will take its place. Precision strike, close air support, armed reconnaissance, anti-armor, ground air escort, and deep missions are among the functions that the AH Mk1 helicopter can carry out. In wars like those in Afghanistan and Libya, it is frequently employed. Both the Invincible Class aircraft carrier HMS Ark Royal and the helicopter carrier HMS Ocean are home to AH Mk1 helicopters. The engines and mission systems of the Apache AH Mk1 have been altered, although the airframe remains identical to those of the Apache AH-64E. The incorporation of new collapsible propellers, weapon systems, countermeasures, sensors, and avionics equipment are among the major design modifications. The 12.7-meter caliber bullets are intended to pass through the crash-resistant fuselage. It is resistant to an attack by a 23mm high-explosive incendiary round, HEI. To further improve crew safety, the chopper also has wire shielding and crash-resistant seats. The helicopter is 17.5 meters long overall, 14.6 meters in diameter at the rotor, and 4.9 meters tall. The AH Mk1 can carry a maximum takeoff weight of 9,525 kilos. In tandem, 2 crew members can be accommodated in the completely integrated glass cockpit. A color multifunction display, MFD, a pilot night vision sensor, PNVS, and an integrated helmet sighting and display system, IHDSS, are all integrated into the man-print digital cockpit. The Boeing M230 30mm chain gun, which is installed in the AH Mk1's nose, can fire 625 rounds per minute. The weapon's 200 rounds of 30mm ammo are carried by the helicopter. 38 CRV-7 80mm rockets and 8 Hellfire air-to-surface missiles can be installed on 4 adaptable wing stations. 4 air-to-air missiles can be installed in the wingtip AAM stations located on either side of the fuselage. There is a semi-active laser seeker, SAL, on the Hellfire. Within 8 kilometers, it can destroy objects that are covered, soft, and hard. Additionally, BAE Systems has fitted the Apache AH Mk1 with a variety of helicopter integrated defense aids, or HIDAS. The HIDAS consists of flare and chaff dispensers, a missile warning system, a laser warning receiver, and a radar warning receiver. 2 Rolls-Royce Turbo-Mika RTM322 turboshaft engines power the Apache AH Mk1. The maximum takeoff power of each engine is 1,566 kW. The full authority digital engine control FADEC system governs the twin-shaft engines. The helicopter can hold 1,421 liters of fuel. The AH Mk1 can go at a maximum speed of 259 km/h. It has a 537 km maximum range. The helicopter can fly for 2 hours and 45 minutes. As mentioned before, the Ministry of Defence in the UK declared the acquisition of 50 new AH-64E version 6 V6 aircraft. Several obsolete AH-1 helicopter parts were shipped to Boeing, so they could be utilized in the production of the new AH-64E. 14 AH-64Es will have reached the UK by the beginning of 2022. When the AH Mk1 helicopters are retired in the summer of 2024, the remaining 36 are supposed to be delivered.